Welcome back to Great Taste of Manitoba. Saturday night, party night, family night, maybe a little bit of both. And we are on a roll tonight with Manitoba Chicken. I think we've got you covered. Aaron Alblas, you're going to do your beverage pairings in just a shake here. Gina Sunderland, walk us through our recipes one more time.
Okay, well, we made 3 terrific recipes this evening. We made chicken and pesto pizza buns, just bursting with flavor, basil and oregano, cheese. The next recipe made was decadent. It was the chicken and ricotta lasagna rolls. So fresh thyme, lemon, and that nice creamy sauce. And our third recipe was a really fun one, tropical chicken taquitos. So nice contrasting flavors with fresh pineapple and chicken and barbecue sauce and cheese. So 3 favorites.
The recipes for this show and the complete series of Great Tastes are available on the GreatTastesMB.ca website. And one recipe from today's show will be in the classified section of the Winnipeg Free Press.
So Aaron, we're on a roll. We're not going to stop now. What have you prepared for us here as far as beverages?
We are on a roll, and what I've paired are a couple, what I think of as iconic Canadian wines, but perhaps if you're watching, you may not have heard of Canadian wine made in the province of Nova Scotia. A very well-known, globally recognized winery called Benjamin Bridge. What we've done with the pesto pizza rolls is we've paired it with, you can tell there's a little rosé color. It's a frizzante, so slightly sparkling wine called Nova 7. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wine, crowd pleaser. I guarantee you haven't tasted anything like it. It's called Nova 7 because it actually is a blend of 7 different grape varieties. A lot of them maybe that you're not familiar with, because in Canada, we're at the northern limit of where you can grow grapes to make wine from. And as a result, in Nova Scotia, they actually use a lot of hybrid varietals, specifically bred to withstand the climate. But what's really nice, very cool climate area compared to other wine growing regions, and what you get is this wonderful balance between sweetness and this mouth-watering acidity. The aromatics of this wine with the herbs in the pizza pesto bun.
Gonna work.
Slam dunk, take me up on it. Suggest you try. Now, you mentioned the decadence of your chicken ricotta roll. And whenever you think decadent, you know, what comes to mind are things like champagne. Champagne, not exactly accessible every day, maybe at a higher bit of a price point. So Benjamin Bridge, again, globally recognized for their sparkling wines. This is their non-vintage brut sparkling wine. What does that mean? Non-vintage, to get the best quality, they're actually going to be blending grapes harvested from different vintage years. Not uncommon in this style, which is mimicking champagne, where it goes through the process of re-fermentation in the bottle, lots of bubbles. It is dry, that's where brut comes in. That term on a label of sparkling wine means that it will be dry. But what's nice is the texture, these bubbles will not leave the glass. They explode, and they really complement the creaminess of the ricotta when you are consuming. Next, maybe this is named after me. It's not actually, but it could be. These are called Crazy Uncle hard sodas. Hard sodas, what's really nice about them, they're very convenient, they're very accessible. We've got a lot of punchy flavor, like sweetness in the tropical chicken taquitos. And what you've got is you have a cream soda, classic, a root beer, classic, Crazy Uncle. They come in a tall can, very accessible, really easy, not as sweet as you would think, which is nice. Again, look them up, try them. Really good for by the pool or with something as relaxed as the taquito.
Crazy Uncle hard soda in one hand, pizza bun in the other hand. You're set. Saturday night. Thanks so much for watching Great Taste of Manitoba. Give these a try. Let us know how it went for you. You can send us some pictures. We love that. We love your feedback. So we're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, and of course, find the recipes, GreatTastesMB.ca. It was a pleasure having you here, Gina. Thank you. Thanks, Aaron. And we'll see you next Saturday night right here on Great Taste of Manitoba.
Great Tastes of Manitoba is presented by Manitoba Liquor Mart. Great Tastes is brought to you by GreatTastesMB.ca. Local farms, local foods. Great Taste is sponsored by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership. Promotional consideration is provided by the Winnipeg Free Press. We're there for you. Des Daniels Wardrobe provided by Loca Boutique. Great Taste is produced in cooperation with participating Manitoba Commodities, Manitoba Agriculture, and Manitoba Liquor Mart. Taste is produced by Frank Digital.